Welcome. If you're looking to block direct messages from a specific chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to take control of your inbox and stop unwanted messages from any user without blocking their entire account. First, open your browser and head over to X. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look for the messages icon on the left sidebar and click it to enter your direct messages. Inside the messages section, find the conversation with the person you want to block from messaging you. Click on that chat to open it. At the top right corner of the chat window, you'll see an info icon, usually represented by a small circle with an I inside. Click on this icon to open the conversation details. Now, in the conversation info panel, you'll see several options. Look for the one that says block DMs or block messages from this user. Click on it. A prompt will pop up asking you to confirm your choice. Confirm that you want to block DMs from this user. That's it. You've successfully blocked them from sending you direct messages in the future. It's important to note that blocking DMs in this way only affects private messages. The user can still interact with your public posts, like, reply, or mention you, but they won't be able to initiate or continue a private conversation with you. Also, if you're in group chats together, you'll still see their messages in those groups, and they'll see yours. If you ever change your mind, you can always return to the conversation info screen and unblock messages from that user. With these steps, you can keep your inbox organized and your private conversations limited to only those you want to hear from. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more peaceful messaging experience on X.